we're here in the Backyard Farmer Garden. I'm always telling you to keep track of what you're doing and to plan for next year. So we're at the end of the 2024 growing season and we are planning for next year. We've made a list of what went well and what didn't, and we have all of our seeds and we've kept track of everything that we planted. Now we're looking into 2025. What would we like to try? Did we have some new tomatoes that came out on the market? Are there any new flowers that look? And we also are looking at what our All-America Selection colors are, so we can maybe get some of those plants to blend. So make a list. It's gonna get cold and we're gonna be stuck inside, so plan on what you wanna do. Make a plan so you know what to order and you're not just going out willy-nilly. Plan really will help you budget-wise too. And it'll make you choose and narrow down all your plants, because as you all know, I am a plant geek, so I kind of go a little crazy about some of those plants. So these lists help me narrow down what I can and can't choose.